When creating this piece, I kind of wanted to create some kind of gradient with different shades of chromatic colors. I used to enjoy doing super colorful looks, so I would choose the most colorful palettes in my collection. I always like to show that face is not paper smooth, that the human face has flaws. Face because I want people to see that the human face is not paper smooth. A lot of girls write to me and tell me, oh my god, thank you, because your video gave me confidence in my own face. And I love hearing those messages, those DMs, because I want girls and boys and everybody that's ever felt like they weren't good enough to know that their skin is normal, that they are in fact good enough, and that they are perfect the way they are. So this look was inspired by my birth country, which is Cameroon. I created this look on May 20th and I wanted to represent the flags of my country in a look, which is what I did.